What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to this episode of Restoration with Vic. Today we got these beat Jordan 6 Slam Dunks from 2014. I remember when they first came out, the hype was real. I picked these up recently at Las Vegas Sneakercon for like 80 bucks. Now that's a steal, but they need some work. The soles are completely yellow, the midsoles need a full midsole repaint, and the uppers need a good deep clean. So without further ado, let's get it started. To start this project, we're going to be using Rejuvenator Signature Shoe Cleaning Kit. I plan on getting the shoe as clean as possible inside and out, so we will be putting the shoe inside the washing machine. We're going to start off by putting this shoe to the side for before and after purposes, and taking out our insole and lace. Next, we're going to grab our shoe tree, adjust it to size real quick, and put it inside the shoe. Now there's one thing we got to do before we start putting water and solution on the sneaker, and that is blow off any surface dust using the compressor. That hair. I know a pube when I see one. That was disgusting. We got all the debris fully out of the shoe. Now we're gonna move on to grabbing our solution and squirting 2 squirts inside our bowl of water. To get this cleaning going, we're gonna start off with the Stiff Bristle Brush. We're gonna be focusing on the tongue and sock liner. Good. Insides are taken care of. I'm not gonna bother using the Stiff Bristle Brush on this 3M upper material. I'm just gonna go straight to using the medium bristle. We're done with the uppers, now we're on to the soles. The soles are super yellow, so we will be using Rejuvenator Sole Revive to bring them back. So we gotta get these soles as clean as possible using our Stiff Bristle Brush. All done with the sole, we got it as clean as possible. I took my time to make sure all the grime from the little circles were fully out. Now, before we wrap it up, we gotta grab our insole and lace and give those a quick cleaning. Cleaning is all done on all 3 parts. Now, like I mentioned, we are gonna put the shoe inside the washing machine to get a full deep clean. We're gonna put them inside our single laundry bag, our laces, and insole as well. And now we're gonna grab our detergent pods, put them in the washing machine to complete the deep clean process. Let's go. You ever seen Vick Almighty? Yeah. Vick Almighty. We're back. We got the shoe fully dried and clean. As you can see, this shoe is 100% safe to put in the washing machine, and I'm really glad I did. Over the years of constant wear on any sneaker, it's inevitable that bacteria will get built up on the inside of the sneaker. The best way to flush all that out is using the washing machine. So now we're gonna focus on these super yellow soles. I doubt that I'll be able to get them back to its original icy tint, but we're gonna do our best. So for this, we'll be using our Rejuvenator Sole Revive and the Vick 2000. We're gonna apply a nice thin even coat, let it sit in the Vick 2000 day and night. We're gonna repeat this process until we stop getting results. To the Vick 2000. We're back. We got the shoe out of the Vick 2000 after about 7 days, and we got some great results. Before I show you guys a side-by-side comparison of how these shoes came out, we gotta do one more thing. The tongue and the bag tab need to be deoxidized, so for this, we're gonna be using Sole Revive once again, and the Vick 2000. The Vick 2000. you guys Monday. Got the shoes out of the Vick 2000 once again, and I can already tell the results are great. We're gonna be using a Resjuvenator wipe to remove any excess Resjuvenator Store Revive. Almost done with the prep work. We got all the paint off this side of the midsole. I left some red on this side just so it can match the paint. We got red, raspberry, scarlet red, duller, and white to create this mix. Alright everybody, that is going to bring us to an end on this full restoration on these Slam Dunk Jordan 6s. There was 3 main things I did. I gave the shoe a proper deep clean, repainted the midsoles, and removed the yellowing from the soles. Up until this point, I haven't shown you guys the before and after of the soles, so let's show you guys now. That's a pretty crazy before and after, you guys. That was 5 days inside the Vick 2000. As you can see, there is some yellowing spots here and there, but honestly, I'm not even complaining. From where it came from to this, it looks really good to me. Same thing with the sides, the toe caps, and not to mention, look at these tongues. Like I said, I also put them in the Vick 2000 for a couple days. This tongue, dingy and yellow. The after, frosty, icy. Same thing with the back straps on the back, thanks to our Resjuvenator Store Revive. We also went in using Resjuvenator products to give the shoe a proper deep clean inside and out. We put the shoe through the washing machine. There was so much grime and dirt and gunk stuck in the inside of the shoe. We got it all fully flushed out. And of course, we went in and gave this midsole a full repaint. Getting the paint off was kind of tricky. The paint from that era is some of the toughest to get off. We also matched the red, laid it down with some crispy, sharp lines all around, and basically wrapped up this restoration. You can find all our products at resjuvenator.com. Not bad for only paying $80 for their shoes. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. This is Vick Almighty. I'll catch you guys next time. See you guys.